Hare Krishna, dear mothers of ISC. Like every other program, this year, Mother's Day program is also going to be online. We all are missing that in person special treatment that we usually get on this day. But as we can expect, Hansapriya Mataji has always innovative ways to make this program special despite the limitations we have right now. So we are here pleased to present you with a small skit. Hope you all can relate to us. Suprita is missing all her friends at ISV. So one afternoon, she's taking a small afternoon nap and once asleep, she has a very unusual dream. In her dream, she decides to pay a surprise visit to all her closest friends. Please note that this is just a dream. Please do not imitate Suprita and please continue to stay in your homes.
Good. My husband and kids are taking the afternoon nap. I'm missing going to the temple so much. I miss talking and seeing my friends so much. I'm going to hit the road today and visit all of them. That will be a good surprise. Let's go. Ding dong.
Who is it? Honey boy! Suprita! I can't believe my eyes. Is it real? Is that Suprita? Am I dreaming or what? Hey Suprita, why are you here? Oh my god, our government will be very angry. Please go back.
Hey, Amma, don't be sarcastic. Do you think you will have a friend like me? I was missing you so much. I wanted to see you in person and drove so far from Fremont to Milpitas.
Really? You drove all the way? But why didn't you go to Kalakeli in Fremont?
Kalakili is like my neighbor. I can go to her place anytime. So are you going to open the door or are you going to check my temperature now?
No. It's okay. You look normal. Just that your ideas are not normal. Okay, come in.
Okay, there goes a big hug. Missed you so much, yaar.
Oh my god, you are going to get a citation for this hug.
That's okay. My husband will pay for it. Okay, tell me what you have cooked today. Let's chat and eat something together. I will leave in an hour.
In an hour? That's too much time together, right?
What too much time? Remember, we used to talk and talk for hours. What happened? Why have you changed so much?
But Suprita, everything and everyone has changed. But I'm worried that you are still the same. Anyway, come in. I made dhokla today.
Dhokla? I love dhokla. But before that, I have a small surprise for you. I hope you like it. Wait.
What is it?
Ta-da!
Wow! It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you.
Thus, Suprita spent nice time with her friend Neelam eating dhokla. She was in her dream actually, right? So she decided to drive to only far places now. Her next destination was Dublin.
Ding dong!
Vrinda! Ghost! Ramji! Ghost! Ramji, I can see ghost over here! Ramji! Ghost! Ramji! Huh? No, Ramji, I'm not crazy. I can see there's a ghost who looks exactly like Suprita. She's talking also. Yeah. Oh, Babre, this is ghost. Suprita ka ghost.
पागल हो गए जी.
You got a... who called? Nilesh. What did he say? Suprita is coming here? अपने घर पे? So this is Suprita? Oh my god, I know what? Suprita can only do such crazy things. She will be like, she's also like me, na? Dazzling Math is a dazzling friend. Oh, but let me check. Oh yeah, she has a dimple. This is Suprita! Suprita! Come!
What is this ghost? Do I look like a ghost to you?
Oh,
I
no, no.
am real. Pagal.
Pakka.
Wait. I got something for
Hey,
you.
no, no, first give me a nice hug, please.
Okay. Aja. Hug. Okay. Tight
Oh,
wala.
wait. इधर नहीं. Move to a side. If Ramji sees us hugging, right, he will start his bashing. 6 feet.
I missed you so much.
I missed you so much too. I miss everybody.
Okay, wait. I got something for you. Hope
Huh?
you like it. Ruk ja.
Ha, pakka. I like everything.
Tada!
Wow. Oh, nice. Oh, this is very pretty. You know what? I'm going to wear it on Mother's Day. ठीक है?
Okay.
ऊपर है ना? अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
Yes. Ekdam. Beautiful.
Very nice. हाँ. बोल, क्या कर रही थी?
Kuch nahi. I'm actually so sick, re.
I know. If you are sick, no, you should stay at home. Are you crazy to come here? I have 3 kids. Talat is going to be 1 year next week, and you're still here. Go away from it. Go. Buddu.
Arey, I'm sick of staying at home. Come, let's eat something now. Did you make something?
Yes,
Just
I
bata.
will be sambar. देखा?
Idli sambar. चल,
चलेगा ना? चल खाते. मस्त खाते पीते एकदम मस्त मजा. Come.
Okay.
Thus, after Dokla, Suprita had idli sambar, but her appetite for meeting her friends was not yet over. Again, this is just a dream, right? So she can travel as far as she likes. Now she decided to pay a visit to her friend in Irvine.
Ding dong.
Oh, looks like my toilet paper delivery is here. I'm so happy finally. Let me go and check. Hey, Suprita, how come you are here? Are you real? Are you real? Pinch me. Are you?
Yes, I am real.
Good.
Aruna, stop staring at me. And now will you let me in? I need to come in.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so shocked to see you. Come in.
I just felt like taking a break. That's why I came to see you. I missed you so much here. I have a gift for you too.
Oh.
Ruk ja.
Really?
Wait,
What
wait.
is it?
Let me see. I hope you will like it. It's your favorite. Something which you like doing always. And there you go.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it.
You liked it?
Oh, yes, I love it. When did you start from Bay Area?
Oh, I came half an hour.
Really?
Yes. Today Krishna empowered me by mystic powers. I can go anywhere, any place, anytime, meet my friends. I'm so lucky.
Oh, Suprita, you are unbelievable. It's okay. Come, let's have some tea. Would you like to have some herbal tea? I'll
Yes,
make it for
sure.
you.
I'm sure you made something for me, but we can start off with a tea.
Let me get you tea. Here.
Oh, that smells good.
I was going to call you today. Remember those old days when the temple was in Bascom? I was so nostalgic. I was looking at all the old pictures.
Oh, those were truly golden days, yeah. We had no kids. We could spend so much time at the temple doing service, preparing for festivals late night. It was so much fun. I really miss it, Ray.
Yeah, and you remember the Janmashtami festival that we used to have at the Gauranga Hall? We
Yes.
spent so much time packing the to-go boxes.
Oh, Togo. Oh, that reminds me. From Togo's, I remember I have to go back home here before the kids and Teeth wakes up. I need to leave. Can you pack for me some Togo, Prashadam?
Oh, sure.
Suprita thus made her last stop in Irvine and immediately returned to her house.
Wow, that was such a beautiful and the best dream of my life. Thokla, idli sambar, then finally herbal tea, and to see my friends. and some tubu prasadam too.
After Suprita, now let's go to Pooja and Kanika and see what they are up to.
Such a nice gift we got on Mother's Day. What will happen this year? I got so many sarees from India this year. This one is for Mother's Day, and this one is for Janmashtami. I don't know what will happen. Oh, Pooja Mataji. Haribol Pooja Mataji.
Haribol, Kanika, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. You know, I wanted to talk something confidential with you.
Confidential. What happened? Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is okay. I'm actually worried about the Mother's Day celebration. Actually, let me be clear. More than the Mother's Day, I'm worried about the manicure and pedicure and the gift we get on the Mother's Day.
Are Pooja, I was also worried about this. Just before you called, I was looking at last year's Mother's Day gift and the sari, I plan to wear. I don't know what will happen.
But you know, every year Hanspriya Mataji gets gift for all of us, correct? So I'm assuming that this year also she must have got a gift for us. So sooner or later we'll get a gift. But what about the special treatment we get on Mother's Day? How are we going to get that?
I don't think so we can figure out. But I have an idea. Let's call Radhika Prema.
Radhika Prema? Why? Is she also worried about Mother's Day?
Of course, she is senior initiated devotee and she has more knowledge than us and she will understand the current situation better than us. So let's call her.
Oh, that's a good idea. But let's not reveal our intention to her.
Of course, we won't tell her that we are worried about gifts, saris,
Okay, let me conference her.
Hare, what's up? Kanika and Pooja Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Haribol Mataji, how are you?
मैं बढ़िया आप बता
I'm doing wonderful. You know, you are the only one with the Brahman Diksha in our dazzling group.
Yeah.
So we thought that you will understand our situation and the confusion what we have right now. Okay. So how are we going to celebrate Mother's Day this year and all the festival?
Oh, Mother's Day. Kanika, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah, we are hearing so much news and getting confused. We all are missing temple program so much. I thought you can help us understand the situation better.
I know it is tough, but you know what? Knowing Hansapriya for all these years, pakka uske dimag mein something should be going on. I think she should come up with something. You never know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, but what is your opinion?
My opinion is actually we have held on for so many months now, right? It's just a matter of time. This is all going to be quickly over and we will all get together very soon. So just hold on and just be patient a little more. And 8 minutes. Why do I think that this is about saris and photos and our dazzling get together more than the corona thingy?
No. I mean to say.
You are so smart.
I know.
So now you know we are worried about the gifts, but what is the plan? Do you know?
The plan is, I'm sure, kuch na kuch to Hansapriya must be thinking. And I'm thinking that you never know. Tomorrow morning you wake up on Mother's Day and there'll be a surprise for us. You know? Wow, it could be possible. I think so, but we do not know. I hope she does something like that. And I think once we get back together, we will have a grand festival, all of us together. Don't worry. Or tab tak ek idea hai. Ek kaam kar. Just to boost up our spirits, why don't we do this? Henceforth, all the festivals, let's all dress up nicely and get into a Zoom call and 10-15 minutes must apne aap ko dekh ke we will look at each other, admire each other and enjoy that day and praise Krishna. What about it? Good idea, na?
You're right, Auntie.
Yeah,
I'm actually so
yeah,
fortunate to have such a nice devotee association. Even
perfect.
these time, you know.
Exactly. So we should just make best use of what we have. Zoom, say we can take association. WhatsApp is there. Facebook is there. And when we meet again, we will have again personal association. We will enjoy that time too, and we'll enjoy this time too. Krishna has better plans for us, Anna. I think so.
Okay. Thank you, Radhika Prema, for reassuring.
And
You
no
know, you
worries.
were completely right about gifts, saris. We were worried about that. But more than that, we were worried about all the festivals and the Sunday program. ISV is part of us.
Yeah.
So thank you for reassuring and hope to see you all.
Definitely. We'll see all each other together very soon. Very, very, very soon. Hare Krishna. Bye bye.
Hari bol.
Some, like Suprita, have been missing their friends, and some, like Pooja and Kanika, have been missing the temple association. But some, like me, have been missing the prasadam. A bit too much, but quite obvious too, right? So now let's go to the scene 3 and see what's happening. Start.
So this is scene 3. And let's see what's going on with Kalakeli, Braja, Ujwala, and Suprita again.
I'm so tired of cooking. I need a break, but I have no other option. If my husband cooks, I have to fast. And if Vrinda and Balaram cook, I have to look where the kitchen is and where the home is now. There is no option. Only I have to cook. But I'm happy they at least help me with the dishes.
Trin Trin.
Oh, Kala is calling.
Haribol Raja.
Haribol, Kala.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Ray?
I'm very tired, yeah. Can you give me some ideas what to cook? Lately, I'm not having any motivation, so tired, and Bhakti doesn't let me do anything.
Yeah, I know. I am so tired too. You know, there were some weeks when I used to cook less than 3 days a week. Monday festival, Wednesday temple program, Friday home program, Saturday Bhakti Vrish, and Sunday feast. How can I forget those wonderful days?
I know, Raja. Don't remind me of Sunday feast, yeah. I never missed a single Sunday feast when Ujjwala Rasa was cooking. I miss her yummy pav bhaji so much. And the other day, I actually almost felt like calling her and asking for her yummy pav bhaji for me.
Oh, did you call them?
No, yeah, I was too shy and I was thinking, will it look good if I call and just ask, hey, could you please make me your yummy pav bhaji?
Oh, yeah, I know. But hey, I have an idea. You know, next week is Shlok's birthday, and next Saturday, we're all planning to do a drive through birthday party for him.
Wow, drive-through birthday party, that's something interesting.
Yeah, I just discussed it with Suprita this morning. She's going to tell everybody. So basically, the plan is she is going to invite only friends with small kids, and we're all going to drive to her home, park outside her garage, and it is going to be a surprise for Shlok. And then he's going to cut the cake inside the garage, and we don't have to get down from the car.
That's a great idea. I would love to join with Bhakti.
Yeah, but we all have to follow our social distancing rules. So we won't get down from the car at all. We will just be there, take pictures, and then go back home.
Yes.
Yeah, it's going to be a wonderful birthday party. He's going to even cut the cake.
Wow.
Yeah, and what Suprita is going to do is she's also going to, pack 2 cake prasadam for all of us. She's going to put the cake to go ready for us. So she will just pick it, then we'll go home. So no getting down from the car.
That's great. I hope she'll give us the cake.
Of course. Cake ke bina hoga kya birthday party? We will take the cake and then only go home.
Yes.
But what I am thinking is, let's call Ujjwala there also. You know, I'll call her a day before and tell her, Ujjwala, I'm missing your wonderful pav bhaji and that yummy tawa pulao. Let's give her a hint. I'm sure she will understand. She is very smart.
That's a great idea. And actually, yes, she's very smart. She'll take our clues and hints and she will definitely come with her pav bhaji and tawa pulao.
Yes, let's hope so. Okay,
Yes.
Hari bol.
Bye bye, Hari bol.
On the day of Shlok's birthday, everyone planned showed up at Suprita's place.
It's almost 3 p.m. My friends must be coming anytime. Let me open the garage. Oh, someone is already here.
Hari bol, Suprita.
Hi, Bol, Urmi. So good to see you, yaar. How are you?
Hari
Come, come,
bol.
come. Huggy time, huggy time. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good, yaar. I'm so sorry. I didn't invite you. Your kids are big, right? So it was just for small kids. So please don't mind, Ray. But I'm happy to see you. I'm so, so happy to see you.
No, yeah, of course, I understand. So, you're thinking, why am I here, right?
Arey, no. I was just thinking how you came to know. I wanted to keep it really small only for, Shlok's age group of friends. So as it's our first experience with drive-through birthday party, बस इसीलिए और कुछ नहीं रे.
No. Actually, yesterday, Braja and Kala called me.
Okay.
And
Now I get
while
to know.
talking, she was just telling me she was missing the pav bhaji so much and tawa pulao. So I thought, how about I just make some and get for you guys? And that way I can meet you guys also, right?
That's so sweet of you, Ray. You're looking so happy. Are you not bored in this lockdown?
No, yeah. Of cooking, nowadays, right now, I'm so happy Yash is cooking and I encourage him.
Wow, you're so lucky.
And I even told him, please train Mayapur also so that way he can start cooking a little bit.
That's really nice. Please send him to my house and I'll ask him to train Teerth also.
Sure, sounds good. Yeah, I got some yummy pav bhaji for you too. Pav bhaji and
Pav
pulao.
bhaji! Oh my god! Okay, let me see. It has to be good. It definitely has to be good. Smells heavenly, yaar. दिखने में भी इतना मस्त लग रहा है. I just can't resist it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're so sweet, Ray.
You're welcome.
Huh? Hari bol, Ujwala. What a surprise. How did you come here? I thought Suprita was keeping this party a secret, right? How did you know about it?
Oh my God, Ujjwala, you're here. Such a pleasant surprise. So happy to see you, yaar. But I thought this is a secret party, huh?
Hey, chup karo tum dono. Stop acting. Ujjwala told me everything. You guys were missing her pav bhaji and tawa pulao and you just gave her a hint. See, she's so kind and understanding. सबके लिए बना के लेके आई. नौटंकी छाप सब. एक से एक.
Hari bol, Braja. Here, I got some pav bhaji for you. Take.
Ah, thank you so much, Ujwala. You're so sweet. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. Come, let me give you a virtual hug.
Hari bol. And here, Kala, I got some pav bhaji and pulao for you too.
Oh, for me too. Wow. Thank you so much, Ujjwala. You're so kind and so sweet. Thank you. Okay, let me give you a virtual hug. Hari bol.
Hari bol.
Hari bol.
Hare Krishna. And that's the end of this beautiful, wonderful skit. A big applause to all of these dazzling matas. We did it in a very short time, and I hope you all loved it and liked it very much. And one more thing. There is a Bhakti Shastri exam after this, right? So let's do a quiz. Okay. So this drama was based on a nectar of instruction verse. Can you think of it? Bolo, bolo. Exam, hai? No? I'll give you a hint. I'll give you which one? Okay. It is from the 4th verse of Nectar of Instruction. Dadati pratiginati guhyam akhyati prachati bhumte bhojayate chaiva sadvidhim priti lakshanam. And I know translations yaad hai na, exam mein aayega, okay? By hand, huh? Aayega. Thank you all so much for coming over here. But most importantly, you know what? As this current situation evolves, mothers at ISV continue to nourish, encourage, and help each other. This is just a glimpse of how devotees to have supported each other and have increased their loving exchanges during this difficult time. You all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for this virtual association. Hope we meet soon, personally too, and have a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. Hare Krishna. Thank you.